guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going off to a museum. Wow, yes, yes. So you go to the road trip. Stop sign Nixon Road coming up with like ice cream.
Turn right on Wyndham Road 9.
That's an interesting house there. I don't know what's that. That chicken cocoa factory. Ooh. Gotta find it out. You wanna go around the back and see what the dear. Okay. The queen here. She's open. Just try to do the automatic door one. Oh. Anybody home? Hello?
Throw some money in here.
Throw some money. Donation. Oh, look at that. Some old money. Are those real?
Yeah, it's real, Paul.
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad. How are you today?
Good.
Good.
Going to see the museum. We just go wander ourselves?
Oh, yes, yeah. Just at the end of the hall. We've got some exhibits that aren't as they usually appear. We've just brought stuff back from
Do we start here or
End of
there?
the hall. Yeah, just
On the hallway.
Yeah.
Can I just see the gift shop?
You see the guys, I see the washing, there's a priority for.
Washroom the priority. Some toys. Some books. Wow, 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 wow. In the bathroom have displays of stuff. Ooh. Wow. This is a pickle museum, pickle factory museum. This no, it's not Norfolk, it's Waterford County or little town. Beside pickling the pickle, they're also the first pack the pineapple, packaging the first pineapple in 1897. Are they still doing a pickle this time? I don't know. Look at how they harvest the pickle. Very interesting. You do have that over there? Look at this can here. You still have all this butter, Belladonna. Wow, that's old clock. Old timer clock. This look like a tooth. Oh, is this from the elephant? Is this a mastodon? What's a mastodon? Is that a dinosaur? Oh, that's a big bone. What is this? This is probably the leg coming up there. Wow, 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 wow. I want to read the mastodon in the Norfolk County. Very interesting. That's all. Look at this, the library. One. That's the suitcases. Of course, what is a railroad without crossing across? March 28. I don't know what year is it. Oh, look at this whip for the horse. These are some farming equipment. Look, this grandfather clock. Wow, 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 wow. It's owned by Mar Woodhouse. Oh dear, look at this. A coffin. Wow, wow, I don't think so. A person fit in there. Maybe a smaller one. Yeah, look at the sleigh. Oh, it's probably from winter because look at this. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Reindeer. Oh boy, I'm so very. Some other painting here, right? The barn. I don't know if they're for sale listings, so maybe it's for sale. The agricultural part of Waterford Museum. That's a big machine they use for plowing or something. And all this modern machinery they have. That's a very old tractor. Of course, the modern one, John Deere. Everybody liked this brand. This Massey Harris. So this old machine is being used for this and grinding for meat. Wow. Oh no, he's doing a milk. This one, a yoke for the cow. S'more sleigh. Pretty old. Got all these other tools. Very interesting. Some of the equipment that's been this place here is outside. Just because inside have enough. You can see all this being used from during 1800. 1/4. So all this farming. All that stuff is being used. Yeah, and now it's all being used. So there you go, guys. This Waterford Museum of Agriculture and a pickle town. The town was not. Yeah, it's just a smaller one, but for the museum. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, likes, and share. Adios.